Hello everyone, welcome to the complete DaVinci Resolve 20 course. If you've ever wanted to learn professional video editing, color grading, or filmmaking, you're in the right place. In this course, we're going to master DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step, starting from absolute basics. And today, in our very first class, I'm going to show you how to properly set up a new project. Now this might sound simple, but trust me, setting up your project correctly from the beginning saves you from major problems later. Wrong resolution, wrong frame rate, mismatched settings. These small mistakes can ruin your entire workflow. So let's start. When you open DaVinci Resolve 20, the first screen you see is the Project Manager. Think of this as your editing library. Every video you create will live here. To begin, click on New Project at the bottom right. Now give your project a proper name. Don't just write Video 1 or Test. Develop a professional habit from day one. For example, if you're editing a YouTube tutorial, name it something like YouTube_tutorial_class 1. Good naming keeps you organized when you have 50+ projects in the future. After naming it, click Create. Your project will now open, but wait. Don't import footage yet. The most important step comes first, Project Settings. Go to the bottom right corner and click the small gear icon. This opens your Master Settings panel. Here's what you need to configure. First, timeline resolution. If you're creating YouTube content, choose 1920 by 1080 for full HD. If you want 4K and your system is powerful enough, choose 3840 by 2160. Mine is not good. Next, timeline frame rate. This is extremely important. Most YouTube videos use 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second. Choose the one that matches your camera footage. Remember, once you start editing, changing this later is complicated. So double-check before moving forward. Now scroll down and make sure video monitoring matches your timeline settings. If you're a beginner, keep color management on DaVinci YRGB. We'll go deeper into color science in later classes. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Now your foundation is ready. Before ending this class, let's build a good habit, organization. Go to the Media page. Inside the Media pool, right-click and create bins. Make folders for footage, music, sound effects, and graphics. Professional editors stay organized from the beginning. And that's it for Class 1. Today, you learned how to properly create and configure a project in DaVinci Resolve 20. In the next class, we'll import footage and build our first timeline. This is just the beginning, and by the end of this course, you'll edit like a professional. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and like this video.